Struggling to get your Amapiano groove smooth and confident? You are not alone. Most dancers get stuck trying to figure out the groove, but by the end of this video, you not only understand the Zenzele dance move, but you'll be able to own it. Let's break it down. Hey dancers, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is JINXX and I'm going to be your guide for today. I'll be teaching you guys how to master Amapiano dance moves. For today, we're going to be diving into the sickest Amapiano dance moves right now, which is the Zenzele challenge. Amapiano, for those who don't know, is a genre from South Africa. It is known for its smooth footwork, heavy bass lines, and vibe that is impossible to resist. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys step by step how to do the Zenzele Amapiano dance, so you feel confident dancing it at parties, TikTok challenge, or in your next dance class. Let's dive into it. But just before we get started, make sure you've got the basics. You've got comfortable clothing, your sneakers, or for those at home, you could simply use your socks, whichever works for you. Most importantly, make sure you have the right vibe and you have to be patient with yourself. If you don't get it the first time, you do it over and over again, and with time, you'll get a hang of it. All right. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to break the Zenzele dance into 3 key parts. Think of it like a rhythm combo. So the first part is going to comprise of 4 dance moves. The next part, 4 dance moves, and the third part, 4 dance moves. So we're going to work on the first part right now, so you get a hang of it before I proceed. All right, step number 1, you want to jump on your heels. Your hand stays here close to your waist. You jump on your heels and you open up and back. But that is quite fast. So I'll take it again. Bam, bam, bam. One more time. 7, go. Bam, bam, bam. So slowly this time. Heels, 1, 2. But make sure you have a strong balance so you don't fall off. So I go again. Heels, 1, 2. 5, 6, go. Heels, 1, 2. 5, 6, go. Heels, 1, 2. 5, 6, go. Heels, 1, 2. Good. So once you go out and in, you want to send your right leg behind, and your left in front, kick upwards. I'll take that again. Behind and upward, and your right comes back out, and you slowly turn. Okay. So this is the first 4 moves. You go 1, 2, 3, 4. This makes up the part 1. So do it slowly from the first move and go 1, 2. It's 1, 2, and stop. You turn slowly. Then you want to pivot from your chest. Powerful pop from your chest. Boom. It sends you forward. Go boom, ta, ta. Good. So remember, from here, you tap and turn slowly and pop from your chest, and it moves you forward. So I'm going to take the pop again. 5, 6, go. Pop, ta, ta. Good. But for the sake of the space I'm in, I'm not going to move forward so much. But if you are in a much bigger space, make use of your space. So we go again. Pop, ta, ta. Good. So we'll take the first 4 moves again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. One more time. First 4 move. Remember, this is the first part. 5, 6, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. So we'll move into part 2, which comprises of the next 4 moves, but this has some repetition in it. We're moving on to the next 4, which makes up the part 2 of the routine. So when you're here, you want to sweep, sweep, sweep. Good. But like I said, this has some repetition in it, so you have to get a hang of it. I'm gonna do it facing you guys, so you have a frontal view of how the moves looks like. But originally, we're gonna do that to the side. So I'll take it again. 5, 6, go forward this time. 1, 2, 3. So you make it as smooth as possible, like you're sweeping. So you hop and sweep, hop and sweep, hop and sweep. Perfecto. So take it to the side. 5, 6, go. 1, 2, 3. Good. Then we'll go into the next step from the side. We'll go 1, stop, 2, stop, 3, 6, and 7, go. Send with your shoulder and step out. So boom. Without the legs, you're just popping up with your elbow and your shoulder. So you engage your shoulder and elbow to move. So just the shoulder and elbow together looks like this. boom, boom. We're moving from the right to the left, so we're gonna work on the right for now. Boom. So when you do this, you want to step out your leg on your toes, your right leg on your toes. So bam, and you stop here with a nod. So whenever you stop here on your heels, also your heels here, you stop with a nod. So take it again. Boom, tap. We'll move over here. Same technique. Boom, tap, boom, tap. Originally, we're gonna be doing this move just 2 times, but you can do it as many times as possible until you get a hang of it. Nice. Proceed into the next step, which is in part 2. This is a variation of the vosho. So you want to tap 1, 2, 3. But when you do that, you 1, 2, 3. I'm combining 2 moves here, which is why I said it's a variation of the vosho. So 1, 2, 3. You jump on your left. You tap your heels from far behind. 1, 2 inwards, and you go all the way down with a bounce to come back up. So when you put this together with the vosho, it's gonna look like this. Tap, 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 boom. So for this step, if you notice, we go into the actual vosho from the 3rd tap. So 1, 2, whoa. But when you go into the vosho, is when you're about to tap on your head, and it goes with it. So 5, 6, go. Bam, 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 whoa. Understood? One more time. 5, 6, go. Bam, 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 whoa. And stop. Moving on to the next step. We're having this groove. I'm supposed to walk with it to the side. But because of space restriction in my room, I'm just going to do it on the spot. Okay? So 5, 6, go from the vosho. And you come back up. Then we go. Bounce, 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 bounce. So when you bounce, you're basically bouncing like this. Your hand goes 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. But your form is really important for this part of the routine. So you have to break your knees and send your body to the side a little bit. Then you walk, 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 walk. I'll take that again. Maintain your form. You step out 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm doing that 4 times. 5, 6, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bounce as hard as possible. One more time. 5, 6, go. And 1, 2, 3, 4. I will go into the savu or robot boy. So we go, bam, 1, and you walk, 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 walk. We're gonna do this just 1 time. The whole combo 1 time. Ta ta. 1, 2, 3, 4. So breaking this down, remember to send your head out and back. It's like a reflex move or like a reverse. Ta ta. 5, 6, go. Ta ta. So when you go here, to make it more impactful, you need to send your knees out a tiny bit so it has this reject to it. Okay? So head and knees goes out. 5, 6, go. Ta ta. 5, 6, go. Ta ta. So when you come back, you want to walk while sending your shoulders backward. It's like you're walking but on the spot. Okay? So put that together and it becomes ta ta and 1, 2, 3, 4. Moving on to the next step for part 2. From here, almost like when we did this, we want to go this way. The same move, the same leg move, but this time the other way. So we'll have our form and we're tilting a little bit to this side and we walk 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, go. Remember your hand goes 1, 2, 3, 4. But you want to engage your chest when you do that. So bam, 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 bam. 5, 6, and 7, go. And bam, 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 bam. We'll add the legs into it. The leg goes 1, 2, 3, 4. But the difference between this move and this move is the bounce. There's no bounce when we move this way. Let's do that together. 5, 6, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? All right. So moving on to the final part of the whole combo, which is part 3. We're gonna start with this move. So once we've done this swivel, we'll go 1. This is one move out of the final combination. Don't get confused. One move out of the third combination or the final combination. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you keep your hands up like this and drop ta ta. So without the hands, you just keep your knees bent and your feet together, and you jump from one side to the other side. Whichever direction you're most comfortable with, you do it. So without the hands, I'm just going to demonstrate what the leg does. It goes 1, 2. If you prefer going over here, the same thing works. 1, 2. Then we'll go with the hands. It becomes 1, 2. If you prefer here, 1, 2. Good? All right. So take it again. 5, 6, go. 1, 2. But take note, your hand moves with you. So tap, tap. 5, 6, go. Tap, tap. 5, 6, go. Tap, tap. 5, 6, and 7, go. 1, 2. This way, 1, 2. Perfecto. So once you've done that, the final piece of the puzzle for part 3, you just want to slide out. Okay? If you prefer going this way, good for you. Prefer here, up to you. All right, so this way looks like this. So I'm gonna combine 1, 2, moving this way for myself. If you prefer going this way, also good. So 5, 6, go. 1, 2, whoa. Good. All right, this is the whole combination for the Zenzele Amapiano Dance tutorial. So we're gonna put part 1, part 2, and part 3 together to have the whole routine looking nice and smooth. If you've gotten to this point of the tutorial, you are doing such an amazing job. And now we're gonna put the whole routine together. Watch closer as I execute the routine from start to finish. Then you can do it with me right after. Okay, I'm gonna do it in 2 ways. I'm gonna do it facing you guys, then I'm gonna do it behind, so you understand both perspective. All right, 6 and 7, go. Ta 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 ta. Boom ta 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 I. Okay, now I'm gonna do it facing behind so you guys have a view of how it looks. I don't want to get you looking at my butt. Okay, so 5, 6, and 7, go. Ta 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 ta. Da 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 da. I. Okay? Alright. So I'm gonna attach this dance with the music right here as a shot. Make sure to check that out. You know how it is on YouTube, copyright infringement and shit. So I'm gonna do that right here. Make sure to check it out and see how it looks with the music. So to help you out, I'm gonna be listing some tips and best practices to help you execute this as smoothly as possible. Number 1, keep your weight centered as it's gonna help you with your balance. Number 2, isolate your upper body. Your hips and knees do the work, but your chest stays relaxed. Number 3, I advise practicing with a mirror to check if your steps and arms are the same as mine. Number 4, do not rush your movement. This dance routine is about vibes and spirit, and not about speed. Just enjoy yourself and have fun. We've gotten to the end of this tutorial. Now I want to see you do it. Make sure to record yourself, post and tag me on Instagram at only1JINXX. I'm gonna be checking you guys out and also reshare. If you've enjoyed this tutorial so far, make sure to give it a thumbs up, make sure to comment, and most importantly, make sure to share to your friends. Also, I offer one-on-one coaching to dancers looking to improve their dancing. You can check the description section to find the link that's gonna take you to get access to the course. And see you in our next tutorial. JINXX signing out. You know how we do, baby.